In the landscape industry, turf is really artificial grass or artificial turf. And so that's a plastic product that has an infill that's often made of shredded tires. We don't utilize artificial turf to cover landscapes for a number of reasons. One, with all that artificial product in it, I don't personally trust that it's providing any amount of health or that it's actually not a detriment to people's health. And I don't want to deliver any products to my clients that could possibly harm their health. And so instead we focus on the creation of thick, resilient, organic lawns and using grass species, perennial rye, fescue, and Kentucky bluegrass in a blend that provides drought resistance, resilience to foot traffic, and the ability to grow in a thick turf that can support people walking on it, running on it, and look great at all times. And so we actually don't utilize artificial turf, but instead focus on healthier products that bring the turf back to life through composting and organic fertilizer.